Good morning. Here we are, a dreary Friday morning. We're supposed to finish the irrigation today. Unfortunately, it's a bit wet. We've got turf coming Monday from our suppliers, Coastal Turf. Looks like we've got another Friday off. Boys are supposed to finish the irrigation, but obviously it's too wet. And it looks like Monday, when the turf comes, we're going to have to finish the irrigation as well. This is the lower green, all prepared. Our topsoil went in yesterday. Just a little bit of final trimming to do for our turf arrives Monday morning. I think we'll just clean up as we go now. The turf that we laid before, going up to the valley green, settling in nice. And our buggy access where we finished last week, which will tie into this. This rain has given our creek bed a chance to be tested out and flow properly. All looks good. A couple little waterfalls there, they're working well. Nice little sound of the water running down over the rocks. Trying to just keep it as natural as possible. Once we get all the turf around this and then some plants in spring, should look good. There's the big pine trees where the water comes from up near the valley green. But next week, this will be all done. Right, have a good weekend.